In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Azure Free Trial account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start exploring Azure without getting lost on the site. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Microsoft Azure website at azure.microsoft.com. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate Microsoft page. You should see a secure connection indicator in your browser and Microsoft branding throughout. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts, consider using a private browsing window to avoid being signed in with the wrong profile. Once the homepage loads, look for the main call to action that says Get Started with Azure. This is typically prominent near the top of the page. Clicking this brings you into the onboarding flow designed for new users. If the layout looks slightly different due to regional or seasonal promotions, don't worry. Microsoft sometimes updates the visuals, but the Get Started with Azure button will still be clearly highlighted somewhere on the page. Next, choose Try Azure for free. This option takes you to the free trial offer. The trial usually includes a time-limited period and complimentary credits you can use to test popular services like virtual machines, storage, and databases. Exact details can change over time, so read the brief overview on the page so you know what's included and any important terms. This is a great way to spin up resources safely while you learn, and you can monitor usage within the Azure portal so you stay within the limits of the trial. At this point, you'll be directed to the Sign into your account page. Use your Microsoft account to continue. This can be a personal or work account, depending on your needs and your organization's policies. Always make sure the address bar shows Microsoft's official sign-in domain and that the connection is secure before entering your credentials. If you don't yet have a Microsoft account, you'll see an option on that page to create one. After signing in, Microsoft may guide you through a few on-screen confirmations related to your profile and the trial terms before taking you into the Azure portal. Follow those prompts as presented on the screen and give yourself a minute to let the portal finish its initial setup. That's it. You went to the Azure site, clicked Get Started with Azure, selected Try Azure for free, and signed in to your account. From here, you're ready to explore services, check the included trial details, and begin building in the cloud with confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Azure journey.